Today we want to make sure that folks, when they gather together to celebrate the holidays, begin with Thanksgiving and right through the holiday season, that they do so safely. That October might be Fire Prevention Month, but we want people to be safe year-round. And when we talk about the holidays and cooking when people gather, cooking are a leading cause of home fires nationally, with just over 50% of home fires being cooking related. And unattended cooking is by far the largest contributing factor to those fires. Those fires result in about 40% of the injuries, fire-related injuries in home fires, and nearly 20% of the deaths, so 1 in 5 deaths from home cooking fires. We're going to demonstrate some bad practices with turkey frying.
In this case, our turkey fryer, the oil has been heated beyond the safe limits that are recommended by the manufacturer. And one of the other big hazards is having too much oil in your pan. And the other piece of the puzzle that can be very dangerous is not properly thawing your turkey.